Hi friends! We are going to work a little bit more on addition and subtraction today. And we have been working a lot on addition and subtraction, and we've been using a lot of different math tools to help us with adding and subtracting. We used your fingers, we used these counters, we used our cubes. All these have been great tools, but we're going to talk about another tool that can help you with addition and subtraction. We're going to talk about your bead rack. So make sure that you have your bead rack. Yours isn't as big as mine, but it'll do just perfectly fine. So before we get started with practicing addition and subtraction, we got to make sure you remember what addition and subtraction are. What is addition? Addition is putting numbers together or putting the parts together. Very good. And do you remember what symbol we use for addition? Plus sign. Very good. We use Miss Plus to put numbers together. So we know when we see Miss Plus, we're going to be putting those numbers together. We also have been practicing subtraction. Do you remember what subtraction is? Taking numbers apart or taking numbers away. Very good. So who is in charge of subtraction? What is that symbol called? Mr. Minus. Very good. We use Mr. Minus for subtraction. So let's use our bead rack and let's practice some addition and subtraction facts. Let's start with addition. So I have 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equals something. I'm going to put a box because we don't have the answer yet. We can use our bead rack to show 2 plus 3. If we see a plus, what do we know we're going to be doing? Putting the numbers together. So we could start with the 2 and put the 2 on the top, and then we see a 3. Let's put the 3 on the bottom. And if we have 2 and 3 and we put them together, how much do you think we have? 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Great job. All right, let's do another one. Let's see. Can we do 4 plus 1 equals something? So the first thing we need to do is reset our bead rack. So we tip it and they all slide back. Okay, what symbol do we see? We see Miss Plus, so what are we going to be doing? Putting the numbers together. What numbers do we need to put together? 4 and 1. So let's put 4 on the top of our bead rack. And let's put 1 on the bottom of our bead rack. All right, take a look at the 4 and 1. How much do you think that is all together? 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Very good. Awesome job. All right, let's try another one. Gonna reset your bead rack. Ooh, sorry about that. Isn't that fun? Okay, this time, 0 plus 6 equals, we don't know that yet, so we'll put a box there. All right, so let's see. What symbol do you see? Miss Plus. So what are we going to be doing? Putting the numbers together. Okay, so let's start with 0. Let's put 0 on the top. Well, that was easy. How much is 0? Nothing, so I'm not going to put anything on the top. And then my other number is 6, so I'm going to put 6. 5 and 1. 5 and 1 is 6. I put 6 on the bottom. And now I've got to figure out how many that is all together. So look over here. 0 and 6. How much is that all together? 6, because I didn't add anything. So it's going to be 6. When you put 0 with something, it's not going to change the other number at all. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Good job. All right, let's see. Let's get tricky. Let's pull some tricky stuff out. Let's see how close you're paying attention. What do you notice? Mr. Minus. So are we still going to be putting numbers together? What are we going to be doing now? Taking away. So how much do we start with? 5. So let's slide 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what does it say to do? Minus 2. So what do we need to do? Take away 2. Now, don't be tricked. Do you see any Miss Plus in there? No, so we don't get to get any more. We have to take away 2 from the 5. This says take away 2 from 5. So here's the 5. We need to take away 1, 2. So when I take away 2, what's left? 3. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Very good. All right, let's do another one. Okay, let's do 4 minus 3 equals something. 4 minus 3. So what do you notice? Oops, slide those back. What do you notice? We have Mr. Minus again, so what are we going to be doing? Taking away. So what do we start with? 4, so let's start with 4. Then what does it say to do? So we have 4. Take away 3. Okay, so we don't get to get any new ones. It says you have 4. We only have 4. And then we take away 3. So here's my 4. Take away 1, 2, 3. What's left? Just 1. So if you have 4 and you take 3 away, you have 1 left. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Awesome job. All right, let's slide those beads back. Okay. Ooh, I'm going to trick you this time. Three minus 3 equals box. What do you notice? Mr. Minus. So what are we going to be doing? Taking away. What do we start with? It starts with 3, so we're going to start with 3. So this is all we have, are just these 3. Then what does it say to do? Take away 3. Okay, so I have 3, and I need to take away 3. If I only have 3, and I take 3 away, 1, 2, 3, what do I have left? 0, because I took them all away. If you have 3 and you take 3 away, there's not going to be anything left. You took everything away. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. Good job. Okay, I'm going to try one more time. Actually, 2 more times to trick you. I've got 2 more tricky ideas. Okay, let's try this. Slide your beads back. Oh, I bet I'm going to trick you with this one. 2 minus 0 equals something. 2 minus 0 equals something. Okay, so what do we start with? 2. Then what does it say to do? Take away 0. So what do I need to take away? 0 is nothing, so I take away nothing. So if I have 2 and I don't take any away, what do I have? I still have 2. If you have 2 and you don't take any away, you're still going to have 2. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Okay, I bet I will trick you with this one. This is going to be the last one. You better make sure you're paying very close attention. Be very careful. All right, what do you see? You caught me. I switched back to Miss Plus. I thought I was going to trick you and you weren't going to notice. So if we're back to Miss Plus, what are we going to be doing? Putting the numbers together. And what numbers are we putting together? 4 and 2. So what should I put on my top? Let's put 4 on the top. And then what do I need to do now? Put 2 more on the bottom. So when you have 4 and 2, how much do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Very good. Great job. Just remember, addition is putting numbers together. Subtraction is taking away. Your secret word today is Christmas tree. Your secret word today is Christmas tree. Your secret word is Christmas tree. It's kind of 2 words, isn't it? Your secret phrase is Christmas tree. Remember, addition is putting numbers together. Subtraction is taking apart or taking away. We use Miss Plus for addition, Mr. Minus for subtraction. Great job today, guys. Have a wonderful day, friends.